a chair. Step 2. Carefully approach your chair, making sure no one pulls it out from under you. Step 3. Inspect the chair carefully, fully exploring the various aspects of its being. Step 4. Find the most comfortable way possible of positioning your rear end on the chair so that it is supporting the full weight of your body. But in all seriousness, there is actually a bit of an art to sitting on a chair when you want to play an instrument. And doubly so if that instrument happens to be flute. So now that we are all sitting on our chairs comfortably, just a few minor adjustments that need to be made. Firstly, you need to sit on the edge of your chair with no slouching. Imagine that you are a king or a queen sitting on your royal throne with your feet flat on the floor, sitting up nice and straight, surveying all the goings-ons in your kingdom. Alternatively, you could pretend to be a puppet, with a string running down the center of your head and down your spine. Or you could try balancing a book on your head. And congratulations, you are now ready to play almost any instrument. Flutes, however, are a little bit different. While most musicians will place themselves in their chair directly in front of their music stand, this is a rather awkward setup for flutes, which results in the stabbing of your partner, which could potentially damage your instrument, and awkwardly contorting your body, which is just plain uncomfortable. So instead, you want to position the chair on a slight angle. You then want to position yourself at a slight angle, and don't forget to make sure that you can see both your music stand and the conductor at the same time. And so there you have it, the important art of how to sit on a chair. It does take a tiny little bit of getting used to, but this is totally worth it, because if you sit like a professional, you will feel like a professional, and you'll actually be more likely to play like a professional. And who doesn't want that? And a special shout out to our guest artist who helped with the making of this video, Law Burns. Law is an actor, cellist, teacher, composer, scriptwriter, stage combat artist, and ninja in training. So until next time, happy practicing!